Recently, I purchased a car, and while I was trying to shop for cars, I started to experience no haggle car buying. And so, who does it? Well, of course, there's Carmax. If I can find Carmax around here. Carmax does no haggle purchasing, and then used cars. Hertz does no haggle prices. You see over here, I'm highlighting it, no haggle pricing. And recently, when I was trying to go to a dealership, I wasn't sure what it was, but there was a sign that said Sonic or Sonic Automotive, something like this. So if you see that, it's probably a no haggle dealership. So if they put a price on there, that's the price they're trying to sell it for. You might be able to haggle with them, but I didn't have any luck trying to haggle. This was at a Lexus dealership website, and so if I go over here, you can see this is the ad for a Lexus car, and right below it says Sonic Automotive. And if you were to go to the website sonicautomotive.com, it'll explain what they do. The goal is to get you in and out in an hour. So the buying experience is supposed to be really quick. On Auto Trader, they say if you plan out everything, they'll take you about 2 hours. That was my experience with the Sonic process at the dealership I went. It took me 4 hours, but back to the Sonic experience. It's no pressure sales, and there's no negotiating. The nice thing when I went to the dealership is they provided the Carfax, so I knew the history of the car, as well as they actually provided comparable prices in the area of the car I was looking for. It's sort of like shopping for a house or something, so that was kind of nice. But even then, when you're comparing different dealership prices, you don't know if that's the best price. So again, look for the thing that says Sonic Automotive. That might mean it's no haggle pricing. Because this was the dealership I went to, Crown Lexus, and this is what it said. It should be simple and straightforward. That's why each of our vehicles features a Sonic price. And it doesn't mention anything about no haggle pricing, but it's supposed to be, after going to the website for Sonic Automotive and looking at the different things, it pretty much meant that no haggle pricing. So if you actually go to a website and you see Sonic, that probably means there's no haggle pricing. If you're able to negotiate the price, let me know. That's pretty interesting. I haven't had any success, but my experience was pretty good. It was easy buying the car because I didn't feel pressure from the salesman. They just there to show me the car, and then the only problems, the dealership I went to still took quite a long time. So hopefully you have a better experience.